Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to copy the contents of one file to another file by using Linux command. So I'll be showing you two ways. One is by directly copying and overwriting the contents, and another one is going to be like concatenating without overwriting the contents present in the existing file. So let's get started. So I'm present in my folder called as data. So first I will be creating two text files. One is going to be the source and another one is going to be the destination file. So I will just right click in and you will be having this open in terminal option. Just click it and your Linux terminal will be opened. So first we need to create two text files. Alright, so for that we will be using the touch command. So it's going to be touch. Let me name the first file as f1.txt and let me name the second file as f2.txt as well. Yeah, so if I just now go to my folder, I will be having two files, but actually both are empty. So I will just go to the file one and let me just type some alphabets. Let me put A, B, yeah, just some random letters. I'm saving it. So this is present in f1.txt and my file 2 is going to be empty. Yeah, if I just open my file 2, it is going to be empty. So here you can see I'm not having any contents. So after the cp command, the contents present in f1.txt will be coming to our file 2. So again, let me go to my terminal. Yeah, so the command is going to be cp, copy command, pretty straightforward, cp. And the first one is going to be our source. Second one is going to be our destination. So f2, that is the empty file, is going to be our destination in this case. So if you directly use cp command, it will automatically override the contents that is present in your second file or destination file. So even if my file2.txt had something inside it, it will be overwritten. So it's going to be cp, yeah, source f1.txt space f2.txt and hit enter. So if I just do cat f2.txt, I'll be having this, and even if I just now go and open my f2.txt, yeah, so it was empty a moment ago. After this command, the values from f1.txt has been copied inside it. And next I will be showing you the method how you can like avoid this overwriting. So for that, what I will do is in f2 I will have delete this and I will just have numbers. Okay, some numbers. I will save it, yeah, and close it. So actually there are two methods actually for doing this. I will go to my terminal. So one method what I found in the web was that you can use the exact cp command, but you need to add -n before your source file name and destination file. So this command, many suggested that this command would work, but it didn't work for me. So I have found another way to make it work as well. So if you like try this out and it's working for you, it's absolutely fine. Just add this -n before your source file name. So if this doesn't work, what you can do is, let me just now clear this off. Okay, I think we have to come to the end. Yeah, I'll just clear it off. So before clearing, I will like to show my contents again. So f1.txt has some alphabets in it like A, B, C, D. Yeah, so here you can see it has alphabets, and my f2.txt is going to have some letters. So here you can see alphabets and letters. So after concatenating, like if you are preventing the overwriting to happen, these particular text will be coming at the below in the line 11 over here. So that is how we do that. So now in this moment, f2.txt has only numbers. So in order to avoid overwriting this time, I will be using the cat command. So let me just clear it, clear the terminal. Yeah, so it's going to be the cat command, cat space your source file, which is f1 in my case, f1.txt space greater than space your destination, which is f2.txt, and just hit enter. So this will avoid the file destination file from overwriting. As well, it will copy the contents from file 1 to file 2. Okay, so now if I just go to my f2.txt, so here you can see before that moment the contents were till line 10. You know, pretty much I showed you, right? It had only numbers, but now the contents from file 1.txt is also getting copied to file 2. Like exactly the same way how it is coming over here as well. So this is how you do it. I have shown you two ways, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also done many other tutorials in Linux, C, C++, Java, Python, CRUD using Node.js, MySQL, and MongoDB. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.